Every place around the country, healthcare workers continue to be the heroes right on the coronavirus front line. Many are sharing their stories on social media.
But at one of the hardest hit hospitals in Detroit for COVID-19, where nurses tell us almost daily that staffing they feel is an issue, a nurse has been fired for posting a video online. Sean Lay has her story.
Tonight, the DMC clearly states it does not discuss personnel matters, but RN Kanisa Barkai showed us the paperwork where she was fired on Friday from Sinai Grace Hospital.
My hair covered, my mask, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm going in.
It is a 10-second video of RN Kanisa Barkai. 12 days ago, she shared the video on her Facebook page showing how she geared up to treat the very first COVID-19 patient inside Sinai Grace Hospital in Detroit. Since then, coronavirus has exploded, overwhelming Sinai Grace. Other nurses here tell us they need help. The DMC also saying it is scrambling to handle all of the patients coming in, stating, quote, "We have converted operating rooms, outpatient areas, and recovery rooms into patient treatment areas to handle the surge. We are working on ways to mitigate capacity issues by moving patients from hospital to hospital within our system." But this past Friday, the DMC fired Barkai for violating the DMC's social media policy, and now she is no longer fighting on those front lines.
I don't feel like I violated the social media policy per se, especially at a time like this when everybody around the world is voicing their concern, their opinions, facts.
Barkai also spoke out to Local 4 on March 18th, sounding the alarm that she could see how the hospital needed more staffing, that she knew more sick people would flood the facility. She says she felt it was her duty to speak up. Even after being fired, Barkai says she will continue to be a voice for nurses risking their lives on the front line.
I'm nurse strong. I stand here and I speak for a lot of my nurses, and I know that they're behind me. Maybe they can't speak up, but I know that they're behind me and they stand behind me 100%.
Barkai tells us since she can't be at the hospital fighting side by side with nurses, she's still going to try to help them by feeding them. She has started the GoFundMe page, Feed the Front Line. We will put that on our website. Click on Detroit.com. In Detroit, Sean Lay, Local 4.